Hi, I'm Allison Scott with Alley Flower, and today we're going to make a silk flower bouquet. Materials you'll need are silk flowers, wire cutters, floral anchor tape, scissors, and ribbon, and a pin. The first thing you'll do is take the floral silk flowers. They usually come in bunches. You will cut them apart using your wire cutters to keep the stems as long as possible. You'll end up with this, and that can be thrown in the trash. You'll take your flowers after you've cut them all apart. You'll start with your larger flowers first and take the plastic green leaves off. You'll leave a few at the top so they will also be in your bouquet. You'll put them together. Slowly, but making it all the way around. You can mix the different colors however you want. Sometimes you'll make them all colors all the way around, or you can even put all yellow together or all the peach, whatever kind of bouquet you're looking for. You'll leave some of the greenery on so it shows at the bottom. On the silk flowers, because they're the plastic stems, the leaves are easy to pull off. When you have the size bouquet you want, let's add one more. That's a pretty good size bouquet. You'll take your tape, get about 1.5 feet to 2 feet of tape, cut it, and start at the base of your greenery. You'll wrap it around so you have about 2 inches taped together. So you have it secured. Now, to make an actual bouquet, you'll also want to wrap it with the ribbon. You'll start right here at the top of where your tape is. You'll hold it with your thumb and hold and wrap. And you'll do that all the way down to cover your tape. When you've got it how you want it, you'll use your scissors. Cut it right here. Tuck your end under and secure with a pin. All you have to do now is cut your ends where they're even at the bottom with your wire cutters. I'm Allison Scott with Alley Flower, and that is how you make a silk flower bouquet.